Are you confused by all the information out there on cancer and nutrition? Hi, everyone. I'm Debbie Sadify, and welcome to day 6 of our Proven Cancer Strategies Revealed 90 Days to Cancer Resilience series. Today, let's debunk some common myths about cancer and nutrition. Myth number 1, I already eat healthy. I thought the same thing. Many of us believe that we are eating a healthy diet, but the fact is it may be lacking in the right nutrients. You need to focus on whole plant-based foods and minimize processed foods and animal products. Myth number 2, sugar feeds cancer. Now, cancer cells do consume more glucose than regular cells, but that doesn't mean that eating sugar directly causes cancer. Limit your refined sugars and focus on whole foods for balanced energy. And myth number 3, supplements can replace a healthy diet. Supplements can help to fill gaps, but they shouldn't be a replacement for a balanced diet. Whole foods that contain a complex array of nutrients that work together will support your health. Supplements are just supplements, not a replacement. So, in conclusion, don't believe everything you hear. Do your own research and make informed decisions. Use Google Scholar to get to the real research and stay resilient. We'll see you tomorrow for day 7.